So this gorgeous wrap dress, I love the color and the pattern. It's so cool. Very unusual. It's 42 at this shortest part here from the shoulder strap and 46 at where it dips down the back about. It's a 36 bust, 28 waist. It's beautiful. You guys know I'm really into color, rich colors. It's what makes people look really, really healthy and pretty and vibrant, and this is just one of those colors that you expect to see from a really high style label in Vogue. Look at this cute wrap, sexy. When you sit down, you can reveal a little leg if you want. Very bombshell goddess. I love it. Okay, sorry, it's a 36 bust, 27 waist. I think it seems to fit me like a 28, but measures 27. So this dress is 42 and a half in length. I love these colors. I know if you've been watching my videos, you know by now that I'm a big fan of fit and color. I always look for fit and color when I'm collecting vintage clothes. I love wonderful color schemes. And this dress is just made of the brightest red cotton type of situation. Bright blue colors. Love this little ruffle detail down here with the pinks, and I love this mustard yellow thread going on. So cutie pie. So this elastic's a little like loose, but I don't think it affects the way that it looks. It looks beautiful on. I love it. Totally cute. So at the Empire waist, it measures 16 across, and the bust, of course, you know, all of it stretches with these because of the elastic on the back, but that stretches to 19 across with these.